All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing an update on the Milwaukee non-marring impact socket. In my previous video, I talked about the depth of the sockets not being necessarily the most ideal depth for holding a lug nut, so I'm not going to get too much into that. What I can talk about is the durability of the nylon sleeves compared to Matco and Mac. Both of my Matco and Mac sleeved ones, the sleeve itself have shattered around the top edge on both of them. I've replaced Astro pneumatics with Matco and Mac depending on who had them and etc. That's been one good thing about these sockets. Now the only other issue I've had with them has been the insert on the 19, which as you can see is the most used out of these sockets. That insert has popped out repeatedly. Now it has not popped out since well, let's say hammered it back in. I put a extension in there and, well, literally hammered it against the workbench. It hasn't come out since. I'm guessing when they put it in at the factory, it didn't quite go all the way in. Overall, the sleeve is more durable than some of the other brands. I don't know why, but on the Mac and the Matco, they might be the same manufacturer. I don't know, but they both had problems with the top of the nylon sleeve cracking and breaking. Now, unlike the Astro, I've not had any issues with the sleeve actually just falling off, which that was a big issue with the Astro. And then trying to get them warrantied was just a pain in the butt. So I just bought new ones I could get easily warrantied because light duty thin wall sockets, they tend to break. These have been really durable. They're a good option as long as you don't care about starting a nut with the socket itself. Because again, that depth is a little too deep. I know this was a short update, but honestly, they're lug nut sockets. So if you don't work on a lot of vehicles that require you to, start the lug nut by hand with your socket, they're very good. If you work on a lot of Nissans, they may not be ideal. They're definitely well worth it as far as everything else. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.